So it's been a couple of months since I realized that my monitor has been dying slowly in front of my eyes, and I will show you guys why. So what started out as a little burn spot here has grown into a giant burn spot that expands almost the whole freaking frame, and there's only just a little bit of non-burnt pixels right on the edges of my screen. And if we look closer, I'm not sure if you can see it, but there are some, I don't know what they're called, but like really weird spots right in the middle that look like they're kind of water spots. I don't know. I don't really know. And so because of all of that, I finally decided, you know what? It's time for a new monitor. I need an upgrade anyway. This is an old LG monitor that I don't even know the model of. It's like 8 years old and I think it served its purpose. I played a lot of games on it, but it's about time that we get a new monitor. So let me show you what I got. Okay, so this is the ASUS ROG Strix XG27ACS-W. Full disclosure, I bought this monitor because obviously I needed a new one. I am upgrading from a 23.5-inch monitor to a 27-inch one, and I'm so excited. Let's unbox this bad boy. Also, before I forget, shout out to our great supreme leader, Gian of Gadget Pilipinas, because ninenok ko tong sweater na to from him, this hoodie. Yun lang. Anyway, let's unbox. Inside the box, you have a lot of documentation. Oh, it's a ASUS VIP member notice. One more packet. Ooh, it comes with a bunch of stickers. That's so cool. Oh, it's like a whole sheet of stickers right there. And here we go. So it says XG27ACS series. So basically instructions on how to operate this thing. And you have a little pouch that probably houses all of the cables. This is the power outlet cable and your DisplayPort cables. You got both of these in there in that pouch. That's kind of nifty. Anyway, let's move on to the actual unit itself. Is this better? I think it is. Okay, let me see. Do I have enough muscle strength to like pull this out? I feel like I need to lay it down and then pull it out. Jesus Christ. Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh. Fudge! Whew. Okay, so this is what's in there. It does come with its own monitor stand. Let me just show you guys what it looks like. Let me just attach it. I think it slots in like this. There you go. So it slots in like that. So when you screw that in, there you go. And there it is. And here we go. Oh! So there was this way that the guy did it in the store when we tested it out. What he did was he placed the mount here first and then set that into place so that he could lift it without touching the monitor itself. Isn't that so cool? Ayo! There we go. Let me unveil it. Obviously, it's all white. Oh, that's pretty cool, huh? Anyway, I will show you guys a better view of this. Okay, so if you're curious about the specs of this monitor, let's break it down. So the ASUS ROG Strix XG27ACS-W is a 27-inch WQHD monitor. Its resolution is 1440p. It has a 180Hz refresh rate and a 1 ms response time. It has an HDMI port, a DisplayPort, and a Type-C port. And it is also AMD FreeSync and G-Sync compatible. And that's it. That has been my unboxing. Until the next video, until the next unboxing. Hopefully there's more. We'll see you guys. Bye!